Welcome to John Lewis Memory School. In this presentation, we are going to see magical quick addition. The requirement is you should know to add up to 11 and then you should be able to add 2 or 3 single digit number in L shape. That's it. Now let us see what is meant by cast out 11 rule and L shaped addition. Suppose you need to add all these 5 digit numbers. So it goes on no beyond 10, beyond 20, 30 it goes on. But we need not add anything more than 11. For example, here when you add this one, 6 plus 9 is 15. So it has crossed 11. Therefore, you cast out 11 from 15. So the remainder is 4. So that alone you can carry. That is more than enough. So 6 plus 9 is 15. Therefore, it has crossed 11. Therefore, subtract 11 from 15. Or how much 15 is more than 11? 4. Remember only that 4. And you have already crossed out 11 one time. Okay, now you carry that 4 to this one, 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. Again it has crossed 11. How much it has crossed? 1. Remember that 1. Now second time we have cut off that 11. So the carry over is only 1, no, now. That you remember. Now 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Again it has crossed 12 now. Subtract that 11 from 12. How much is remaining? 1. So that is the total here. That is the total here. And how many times we have cast out 11? 3 times we have cast out 11. So that you put it down here. That's all. This is what we need to do. So add the number when it cross 11. Okay, that subtract that 11 and take only the remainder and go on adding it. And whatever is remaining finally you have to put it down as total here. How many times you have crossed out 11 should be put at the bottom of this total. So that's it. Now we need to add in L shape. What is meant by adding in L shape? So you got total 1 and number of times we cast out 11 is 3 times. And put zeros at the left hand side. Put zeros at the left hand side for both total and also number of times 11 cast out. Now we can easily find out the final answer. First you add as usual, no, the first two numbers should be added. 3 plus 1, 4. So this is the first thing we need to add. Now here we need to add these two along with the bottom number here. So that is why I call it L shape. No? This is L shape. So in the first step 1 plus 3 is 4. That's it. Because here there is no number. That's why straight away we have added here. Now in the second step these two number with the bottom number at the right side. So now it becomes L shape. 0 plus 0 is 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. 34. So 34 is the answer. So now you add the number here 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 8 23, 23 plus 7 30, 30 plus 4 34. Here we have to go on adding bigger numbers now. That can be avoided by casting out 9. Hope this is very clear here. Now if it is very clear we can move on to 2-digit number now. Now let us consider we need to add these 5 2-digit number. Not necessarily 5 2 digits, any number of digits. So one can be single digit, the other can maybe a triple digit, the other one may be 2 digit. It doesn't matter, but we need to add row, we column wise. That's all. Okay, now let us cast out 11 here in the first row, first column. 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, already it crossed 11. How much it's more than 11? 1. Therefore, remember that one. One time we have cast out 11. That also you have to remember. Now the carry over is 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. It has crossed 11. Cast out 11 from 13. The remainder is 2. Remember only the remainder 2 here. Now 2 times we have cast out 11. That also you have to remember. Now the remainder 2 plus 2 is 4. That is the total here. 4 is the total and 2 times we cast out 11. So that we need to write at the bottom. So whatever is remaining we have to write it as total and how many times we cast out 11 that we have to put it down here. Now we move on to the second column. 7 plus 8 15. It has crossed 11. 15 is 4 more than 11. Therefore you take 4. But we have cast out 11 one time. We have cast out 11 one time. Now 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 6 15. Again it has crossed 11. Okay, how much more than 11? That is 4. Therefore remember only 4. Now second time we cast out 11. So that remainder 4 plus 3 is 7. Therefore total is 7 and we have cast out 11 two times. That we need to put here. So the remainder is taken as total. Number of times we cast out 11 should be written down here. Now what we need to do, we have to do L addition. So before that what we need to do, we have to put zeros at the left hand side. So put 0, 0. Now we need to add the first two digits because here there is no number, no, that is 0 here. So that is why we are simply adding these two numbers only, the first step alone. 4 plus 2, 6. Now second step we have to go to the second column with a L shape we need to add. Therefore what we need to add? 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, that is 1. So the remainder is 1, carry over is 1, that you remember. Now third step, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, the carry over was 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 316. If we add these 5 numbers by normal method, you will get 316. Okay, let us check it out. 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 8, 24 plus 2, 26. Okay, 6. Carry over is 2, then 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 plus 8, 17, plus 5, 22, plus 6, 28, plus 3, 31, 316. So by this method, it's very simple. No, we need not add beyond 11, and we need to remember how many times we cast out 11. So these are the two things we need to do in order to add very quickly. So when we need not add more than 11, the calculation can be done faster mentally, isn't it? Okay, now similarly any number of digits can be added. Now let us take a big sum here. So maybe a 7-digit number. So how we can do that? We can go column wise. Okay, there is no relationship between the first column and second column. After adding here, we can forget totally about the first column and we can go to the second column. 6 plus 9, 15. One time 11 is cast out, the remainder is 4. We need to remember only the 4. 4 plus 8, 12. Again cross 11, cast out the 11 from 12. The remainder is 1. The remainder is 1. Now we have cast out 2 times 11. So 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Again we have crossed 11. Therefore, how much is more? 1. Therefore, the total is 1 here. 3 times we have cast out 11. Therefore, total is 1. The number of times we cast out 11 is 3. That we have to put down here. So, like this, for each and every column we have to put. Hope you understood this. So, like this, for each and every column, if you put, this is what you will get. So, like in the same method, no, here the first row, everything we have done. So, let us take the last column here. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 9, 17. 17 is 6 more than 11. Therefore, remember only 6. And we have cast out 11, 1. So, 6 plus 7 is 13. So, now subtract 11, you will get 2. The remainder is 2. Remember only the 2. Now, we have 2 times we have cast out 11. Then 2 plus 8 is 10. Okay. So, after this, there is no number. No, that is why we have put 10 as it is. Okay, suppose here we would have got 10, that 1 should be carried to the next step. Here there is no number, therefore we are taking it as 10. And we have cast out 11 two times, that we have put it down here, that's all. Now addition, L-shaped addition. Okay, now what we need to do, first step, 1 plus 3, 4. Am I right? 1 plus 3 is 4. So before that we need to put 0 here. Before that we need to put 0 here, that's what I have put here now. Okay. So here also we have to put 0, but already this number came 10, already 1 is there, that is why I have not put 0 here, already 1 is there. Okay, now 3 plus 1 is 4. So now we have to add L shape. From the second step we need to add L shape. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, now 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So 2, the carry over 1, we have to carry to the next step. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. And here carry over was 1, therefore 11 plus 1, 12. Again the carry over is 1 here. Now go to the next step. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Again carry over is 1 here. 0 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3, and this carry over 1 is 4. Now 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is the answer. So now if you add by normal method, you will get the same answer here. So let us quickly verify that. 6 plus 9, 15, 23, 30, 34. So we got 4, remainder is 3. That 3 plus 1, 4, 11, 13, 15. Okay, see, let me go again. 6 plus 9, 15 plus 8, 23, 7, 30 plus 4, 34. Now 3 is remainder. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. Here 0. Therefore 17, we have got 7 here. Okay, the carry over is 1. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 18, 19, 19 plus 5, 24. Okay, 4 is correct. So the 2 is carried here. So 2 plus 5, 7, 14, 16 plus 6, 22. So 2 is here and another 2 is carried over here. So 2 plus 9, 11, 14, 15, 23, okay, here there was, how much was remaining here? 2. So 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 17, 25, 25 plus 7, 32. So 2, the carry over is 3. So this 3 plus 6, 9, 13, 18, 21, 23. So 3 is here. So 2, 3 is here. The 2 is carried over. So the 2 plus 5, 7, 10, 19, 26 plus 8, 34. Now we got this answer. So when we add bigger number, we may get slowed down. But if you know how to cast out 11 and carry over only the 11, and finally if you know how to add in L shape, we can do any calculation very fast. Hope you liked it. Thank you very much for watching it. And if you like it, please click the like button, share it with your friends. Without fail, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Until we meet next time with another interesting topic. Bye bye.